What if you had a magic wand through which you could change any aspect of your life? It could be relationship, it could be money, it could be finance, it could be career, anything. Nalanda Wellness is known for creating exciting workshops every month, and many times many of you are waiting for what is the next workshop. And after the last workshop on this topic, many of you sent me the messages and calls when is the next workshop on switchwords. So here it is. Next weekend we are going to have this amazing 6 days of transformation where you will experience how the magic of switchwords work. In this workshop, you're going to blow your mind, you're going to learn things you have never learned before, and how to use the switchwords powerfully in your life, how to make it more effective. The beauty of the switchwords is that it creates a shift in the subconscious mind, bypassing the conscious mind. The conscious mind is a problem. 90% of our mind is subconscious, and we are dealing with the conscious mind. We wonder why things are not working or the way we want it to work, and most people don't have access to it. Many people have learned many techniques and they have many different ways of tools and techniques. Switchword is one such powerful technique, and many of you know that I am really a firm believer in Reiki, and I practice Reiki and many other techniques, regression and all that, hypnosis. But switchword is also one of my favorite technique because it is quick and easy. Anybody can learn it, but it needs practice. So that's why this is not a one-day workshop. It's going to be 6 days where you will practice, learn every day. You will learn some new techniques, go back in your life, practice in your life, then come up with questions, experiences. Many of you will get breakthrough results even while doing this course. And as you, I am always available for all my students even after the course is complete, so that many of you know this and you are very comfortable with that. So I'm going to invite you to join this workshop. All the details, what is there in the first day, second day, third day, all that is there on the website nalandawellness.com. You can find the link in the description as well, so you can check out those details. And then once you register, I would like you to write down your goals, what you want to accomplish in your life right now in different areas: relationship, money, health, finance. If you're having a job or business, then how you want to perform in that. All those things you have to write, because that is the raw material. Okay, then we'll work on that during the workshop. And many of the students have already done this workshop, and you would like to hear their testimonials. Those are there. I'm going to share them now.
मैं किरण जादव मुंबई दादर से बात कर रहा हूँ। मैंने सचिन सर से स्विचवर्ड का कोर्स 3 दिन का कर दिया है। वो स्विचवर्ड क्या है पहले मुझको कुछ मालूम नहीं था, तो सचिन सर ने इतना अच्छे तरह से सिखाया कि स्विचवर्ड्स क्या है, कौन सा मास्टर स्विचवर्ड्स है, कैसा यूज़ करने का बहुत अच्छी तरह से उन्होंने समझाया। और वो जब भी मैं चांट करता हूँ तो मेरे अंदर से वाइब्रेशन, पूरा शरीर में वाइब्रेशन आता है। तो मतलब इस तरह से स्विचवर्ड्स बहुत अच्छी तरह से काम करता है। थैंक यू।
Good evening, everyone. I have been doing this switchword course by Sachin sir, and really liked it. It was 3 days course, and different words were jumbled and normal in one. There were words, there were phrases, and you have to choose accordingly what you have to do. He gave us several examples, but I made one for myself for my health issue, and that was divine, magic, Rita, me. So this I kept on chanting whole day, and I could see immediate result. Also there was one, I wanted one person to come back, and I took the name of that person and started chanting very quickly words every day. So that also happens. So it really works miraculously, and I hope everybody gets a benefit out of it. Thank you.
Speech words, when we attend the class, that is a very good sessions, that was very nice. That is a very helpful for situation basis speech words, and I really like that.
Hello everyone. Sachin sir has taught us switchword topic. It's really amazing. I used to use the switch word like add count now, and it bring lot of money in my life. Uh, I think it's more pleasurable and more surprise for before I think it will actually done only by chanting this switch word bring count now. So it's really amazing, and I really thankful to Sachin sir.
There are many people who have done this workshop and shared their experiences, but these are just few of them. And many students have learned so many things from me, and I attract people who are who believe in this, like continuous learning, kaizen, continuous improvement, self development, spiritual growth. And this is what I like, this is what I believe in, and I am on this quest, I am on this spiritual journey, and I am meeting so many beautiful souls on this spiritual journey who are like minded, who think like me, and who have common goals, common thoughts. So I am blessed to have you all in my life, because every time it's enriching. Many of the students who have done this, they say that it's worth 10 times the cost, believe me, because the kind of results you can produce with this is amazing, and it's a lifelong thing. So once you have it, it's there for life. And I will mention the discount code in the description, so you can check it out, so you can get a discount. And join the WhatsApp group also. As you know, every Thursday we are doing this Vipassana meditation also. You can join the Vipassana meditation, because this is the time. Life is short, and there's lot of wonderful things to discover. One of the things that we regret at the end of life is, I should have done that, I should have done that. These are experiences that you should have early in life. The earlier you learn things, like many people who have learned Reiki with me, they share that, I heard about Reiki 10 years back, but I did not learn that time, and I regret it, because it's so wonderful. So this is also one such thing, and you will enjoy this course with. Have a wonderful day. So see you in the next video. Bye bye.